Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the common issue that we get. That issue is like this is related to the project related versioning issue. Okay, so I have a workflow here. Let me try running it. So I'm getting the below issue. Okay, ever detecting the project version exception. Okay, so this is a common exception that we usually get. This is related to the versioning thing. So this workflow has been, why this is coming is like this workflow has been developed with a different version of UiPath, whereas after some time I updated my UiPath version. So because of that this issue is coming. So this is usually related to the project.json file. This is like for every X workflow we have one project.json file will get created. So this is pointed to the old version of UiPath. What I need to resolve here is like to not to get this issue, what I need to do is like we have to remove this project.json file. That's it, we don't have to do anything. Once the workflow is again started executing, it itself will create a new project.json file, and that will point to the new version of UiPath. So if I tell you in a clear way, this is related to the versioning thing, and to overcome this you just need to remove this configuration file. This is nothing but a project.json file. Okay, so let me delete this. Now let me save it once and run it. Now you can see something is pop up, that means our application is running. Okay, so that is a sample thing that I want to say. This is related to the project the JSON file, and just try deleting it, then execute it. You will get that resolved. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.